Can you guess what the result of 10 plus 2 times 5 is? If you said 60, you're going to want to stick around. Java doesn't follow simple left to right math rules. Let's explore how arithmetic operators really work. So arithmetic operators within Java, there are 5 main ones. Your standard addition and subtraction, your standard multiplication and division, as well as one that is probably a little unique to you if you're not familiar, and that last one would be modulus. So let's take a look at addition and subtraction. Addition works exactly like you would expect. So say that we have apples and we set it equal to 5 plus 3. That's going to give us 8 total apples within our apples variable. So let's say that we also have a variable named bananas, and that equals apples minus 2. Since we had 8 apples minus 2, in our bananas we have 6 bananas. And so if you ran this code, you would see 8 apples and 6 bananas. Now let's look at multiplication and division. So say that you have a price per item equals 20 and you have a quantity of 4. Your total cost would be your price per item times your quantity, or 20 times 4, which equals 80. So our total cost would be 80. And vice versa, if we divided, so say that we took our total cost that we got in the previous line and we divided it by our quantity, that would get our cost per item to be 20, or our price per item. Okay, now let's take a look at modulus. Modulus is an operator that gives you the remainder of whatever value after it divides. So, for example, if we have total cookies of 10, but we have 3 people, if everybody wanted to get a whole cookie, how many cookies would be left after we gave out everyone a whole cookie? So if we took our total cookies and modulus by our number of people, that value would be 1. So after, another important thing here is arithmetic operators work off of the standard PEMDAS. So parentheses first, exponents, which there's no exponent per se in Java. There's different functions that maybe we'll cover at a later time. And then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So if you have 10 plus 2 times 5, and if you thought it would equal 60, actually, first it multiplies and then it adds. So you get 20 as the result. Now, if you added your own parentheses to that, so that 10 plus 2 happens before you multiply, then in that result, you get 60. Arithmetic operators are the backbone of any program that involves numbers. Now that you know how they work, try experimenting with different calculations in Java. In our next lesson, we'll dive into comparison and logical operators, which help Java make decisions, like whether you passed a test, qualify for a discount, or can access a secure system. So make sure you catch the next lesson. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Take a look at these videos next.